Hello everybody, let's end the project that we created in the previous video. In the previous video, we were creating the DLCO project, Deep Learning Concrete Optimizations. We go to site, and in the site we have the model 1, the site for given result of our data, and it's pretty good. And we have the using files, okay, and file. That's good. I'm going to delete this thing because we can't delete that if you remember in the previous sessions because of some problems. Let's go. But the most important thing is that we want to can run this model. Let me show what I mean. For example, you want to create a beam. Let's activate our TensorFlow env at first. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we activate an environment. Let's see, for example, you want to do something like this. You want to run your app. Let's just wait. Okay, we go to our project folder. Model 1. For example, this is our model 1. You want to give it a new parameters and you want it to predict the parameters. How we can do that? We have the prediction of model here. This is how it predicts the model. When you run it, it gets some inputs and some outputs. If you remember, we have 4 inputs and 4 outputs. Let's do the thing and see how it's going to look like. Okay, we have our models here. Let's go to our raw data. We have this 4 input and this 4 output, this 5. Okay, let's start. At first we need to give it coarse aggregate. Let's go with coarse aggregate, and then fine aggregate. Age is 28, I know, 28, and then here the last thing. Then let me just delete these things. Now we run it, it should predict the numbers for this thing. Let's just wait. It has a lots of problems. We are going to dive into them with each other, but just for now, wait. Let's in this time run our Gemini. Okay, Google Chrome, Gemini, 2 of them is enough. Let's wait. The first problem is that I want you to optimize this loading model and predicting for 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4 for these inputs. Sorry, I paste the wrong thing, paste as plain text. I didn't copy that. Let me copy that. This and this output. The model has already trained. Just fix the loading code. Okay, you see, this is the problem. X has 4 features, but Stansky is expecting 8 features. This is the first problem. Where we are at the, let me take a look where we are. If we are in a wrong, no, we are in the right folder. and let's go to predict with actual. I hope we are in the right folder. I know we are, but let me double check it. Model 1. Let's open it. Actual SRM predicted SRM. Yes, we are in the right model. I done this work in the previous video. It changed it. Let me just copy that. Paste it down here. Okay, input features 300. No, it's not right. It's doing the trash thing. Okay, let's here. I want you to give me a code to load the saved model in this code and use it. We have a little problem here. It's giving me the wrong thing. I didn't know what is the problem. The inputs are, let me just copy the inputs again. And the outputs are, I hope it understands, but I know it's not going to understand. What is that? Okay, let's paste it here and see if it's going to load the model or not. Concrete mixed. Okay, the problem is Excel scalar X. What? It has a lots of scalars and okay, model path is concrete and strength model 5. Okay, this is it. Let me copy that. This is the model name. Okay, this is the model name. So you are using this model's name. What is the problem? You say that an expert or no file or a directory find at concrete mix model H5. Oh, okay. We have another error. We have one scalar file, not two. Correct it. Let's go here. Okay, it's going to work fine, I think. Let me try it. Let's run it. Why the stand scalar expecting 8 features? What is the problem? Okay, we can give it to the Gemini and he tried to fix it. It's not up to me. Fix it. Let me just copy this content, paste it, run it. Why it's using 2 scalar? Why the hell are you using 2 scalar? Let me just fix that by myself. And also delete this thing. I really hate when Gemini try to be stupid. Okay, it's not going to work. Let's see another code. Copy the content. Run it. Use TV to see the full error. What I do, I can't understand. But let's see the error. Why it suddenly become markdown? Code, run it. No, it's not code. This line of code, let's run it again. Let's ask Gemini, fix the error. Why it's taking so time for him to understand? You just need to do some modification. Why it's taking so time for him? Okay, I'll copy that, paste it, run it. Let me just copy that again, fix it. Why it's taking a lots of line of codes, I can't understand. Let me copy that, run it. Okay, the cement is minus, the fly ash is minus. Why is it happening? Let's see the input data. Where is the input? Where is the data that's used for the input? Okay, here. Course aggregate. Let's go with these numbers. 1040, 676, age 28, 7999. Now let's run it. It's not using our model, I think, because the problem we are seeing here is that it's saying that we have two dense models, but we don't have. Okay, let me just delete that. It's wrong. It's wrong. Let's go back to these loading models. It's going to work perfectly, but it has a little problem. The problem here is that X has 4 features, but stand scalar expanding X features. Let's go to the stand scalar. Where is the stand scalar? Here is the stand scalar. After we scale that, we need to predict them again. So how we can do that? Loaded stand scalar. Okay. Let's see in the R code, the stand scalar get how many inputs. Okay, we have the X scalar and Y scalar. The problem is here about the code. It's not it's scaling the file and the training file separately. I think let's take a look which one of them gave result. No, it's not the result we are going for. This is the result. No, this is not the result. Let me just delete this code. The model has never run here, I think. The main problem is something like that, I guess. Let me run this model and see what is the data for this model. I think it's somewhere here. We should put the name of the data. Where is the name of data? It's here. Okay, it has a target. This is the imposter here. Let's see about this. Okay, it don't have any target. This is the right code. Let me just delete this and train this. And wait for the result. Okay, you can create something like this, but this is not the things we are going to do in these sessions, and I don't really care for that. We have our results and they are like stunning. I'm going to end this project because this is the end. We predict everything we want and we have the sites. Just also need to commit everything, and in the next lessons I'm going to create another project, a more better project for you to see. I hope you're enjoying. Have a nice time, but just let me push it. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time.